Assalamualaikum, this is tutorial number 5 and you are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to do an exciting thing. We are going to create a table which will be really nice, I think, because it is our first tutorial of HTML where we are creating something. In previous tutorials we learned about tags, attribute and many more things, but now we will learn how we can create a table using HTML. So let's get started. Before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new update updated in my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's first create. I will select all and type table dot html. Yes, and I will open it using VS Code editor. As you can see, this is the interface of this code editor. You probably know how to structure HTML. If I type HTML5, it will automatically structure the web page. As you can see, this is doc page, HTML head, body, and now we will title it to table and save it. And if we open it with live server, it's not working. Okay, we'll open it manually. Okay, we will open it manually. We'll click Chrome and open a browser and click it to open. As you can see, it is opened. Okay, we'll type h1 table, save it, reload it. As you can see here, the table is appearing. So in order to create a table, you have to type the table tag, table table tag, and under the table tag, if your table has a caption, like if I creating or if you are creating a table for a specific purpose, you can type a caption name. I will type caption tag, and I will type a caption name transcript. So after then, if you want to add heading on your table, which probably almost all table has, so in order to add a table or in order to specify the table, you can type thead, and under the thead, in order to create a row, you can type tr and under the tr you have to type the heading. For table heading, we will use th tag, name, another th, subject, another th. Right, if I save it and reload, as you can see, this is the caption and this are the table heading. So in order to create the table body, you have to type tbody and under the tbody again you have to create a row. Without creating row, your table will not appear within the row. So I will create a row, and for table body we will use table data. We will use th as we are depicting the data on the table body. So I will type td, name will be my name Ashraf, sorry, let's save it. Subject will be probably math, save it, copy it, paste it. It will be 5. If I save it and reload, you can see this is the table body, this is the table heading. That heading is much bolder than the table data. Like I will type another tr, copy it, paste it, say I will type Ashrafi math 4, save it, reload. Another one is added, we'll type another machine math 4.50, save it, reload. It is appearing. There are some tags that you can use: tr for table row, td for table data, th for table heading, t caption for table inside the caption, th for separate header for the table. We can use tfoot for our table footer. You can use tr, you can use th, all, math 4 to 5. If I save it, as you can see, it is appearing in the footer. So that is the end for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial really interesting, please consider to share this video with your friends to make them skillful. So please consider to subscribe my channel and be a member to my YouTube channel, and also press the like button if you found this video informative as well as interesting. Not only this, you also can click the bell icon in order to ensure that you are getting the notifications. So that is the end of today's tutorial. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.